this is what I packed. So we got spare tire, belts, jumper cables, spare shifter cable. That's the heavy duty shifter cable. I used to break the standard duty cables all the time. Be stuck on the street. The micro switch for the neutral safety switch that kind of goes out once in a while. Fuel lines, tire plugs, clamps, hoses, spare MSD coil, jack, common hand tools, and yeah, that's for what I carry on the street. And then we got push rods and rocker studs and carburetor stuff and ignition stuff, timing light, tire plug kit, O-rings. What else to bring? Tap and die. Spark plugs, distributor taps, and MSD stuff there. Got tire pressure gauge, voltmeter, test light, the carburetor gaskets and stuff in here, fluids, engine oil, oil filter, transmission fluid, funnels, power steering fluid, water, brake clean, hand cleaner, brake fluid, WD-40, wheel jump, and Milwaukee impact, hammer, gloves, surge protector, and you bring a tent. Got the Ryobi and then 10x10.
Go eat breakfast. 1107, Tower Lane, taking on Jason Dunn in the Challenger. Reaction time, 0.517 for Jason. Riley goes 1180, 1180, 116. Jason goes 1412. And at the stripe left lane, goes 1202 and 115, tower side, 1235 and 111. Riley knocking out. This is Camaro, 5100, taking on an 5811. First 1175, 116, left lane 1327, 102. right lane, right off here, 119 light to an 091 for Lihue. Lihue with a lot of room up there. It took too much strike. Broke out by 100 of a second. 1204 and a 1205 at 111. He had 091 to Riley's 119 reaction time. Riley goes at the stripe 1184, 115, and he'll be back into round 3. he is your winner in the muscle V8 class. Tyler Clark goes 1163 at 118.
Into like, super slow tech. Well, straight into the fast.